able to ignite an urgency to innovate, inspiring farmers to be innovative. I think it will be very important. I see the importance of a renewed sense of pride. Farmers should be able to see themselves as part of a vibrant community of rural economies and an important part. If we manage to make them feel that, then we have a vision, we have a future. Yeah, the worst things that can happen, the biggest challenge for rural communities and the farming sector is that farmers feel alone and feel excluded from the broader socioeconomic context. They feel they are not contributing to it. And so, this loss of hope is what will eventually drive people out of the sector. And it would be really a pity, because the quality of life and the purpose that farmers can have and feel doing their work, I think it's a lot better than many other jobs. Ultimately, you have to inspire people, and inspiration is not done, generally it's not done through creating business opportunities. Inspiration, it talks to the heart, and talking to the heart is not done by money. It's done with communication campaign, with explaining, giving purpose to people. And this is how you will manage to bring young farmers in, to keep the community active, giving purpose and hope, and making them feel a sense of belonging. Now, what inspires me is to see that there are many spontaneous forms of networking. Farmers are getting together to share their experience, to try things differently, to adapt to new system. And this, I come from kind of the research environment, and being able to support this spontaneous movement, I think, is key, because it's not the scientist and often the policymaker that should make the agenda, but the agenda should be made on the need expressed by the sector, expressed by the practitioner. So to see this practitioner rising and expressing what their needs are, I think it's very important, and will provide important information for those who have to then deliver policies and market mechanisms and financial instruments